Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Delonghi Magnifica coffee making machine. In this tutorial, it is the energy saving setting of this awesome machine. How we can start it and how we can unlock it. Use the function to activate or deactivate energy saving mode. This reduces the energy consumption in compliance with current European regulations. The ECO mode is active by default. ECO light is on. To deactivate the function, press the ECO button. This is the second button on the bottom side of the buttons of your Delonghi machine. And then you're going to switch it off. And the ECO button light goes off. To reactivate the function, press the ECO button again. Then the light comes on. This is not the right light. This means we have to refill the tank with water. Let's do this quick so I can show you how the eco-saving will go. Continue. A few seconds may elapse between energy saving mode and delivery of the first coffee, as the pillions must heat up again because of the eco mode. The eco mode means that the water inside of your machine is not well temperatured. If you are setting the eco button, it will heat up the water and then it will deliver. If you have the eco button off or the eco mode is off, then all the time the water inside the machine, not inside the tank, inside the machine, will be heated up, so your coffee will deliver faster. Then your coffee is ready faster, but not hotter, only faster. And you have so more energy what you are going to need for a coffee. If you have the eco button on, that means the eco button is, the light is on. That means every time you will go and have a coffee, the water will heat up and then it makes a coffee. That is on, eco mode is on, and if you push it again, then the eco mode is off. That it is. But take care of your machine, take care of the nature, let the eco button on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon. Eco power.